afternoon. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. The last time I did the ball bearing, I used a different method. So today I'm going to try and use a simpler method where we can draw the ball bearing. So let's just get down to it. First, I'll take my workspace to front view, and I'll start with the circle. That's the casing where the ball is going to be. Take a circle of radius of 20. Right, let me zoom it out. Then I will draw a line using polyline vertically up. I will take the length to be 48. Right, enter twice to end the command. Then I'll select it, right click, and select move. So I'll pick it from the middle and take it to the middle of my circle. From there, I'll go to modify. I'll come to offset distance. I'm going to do 24. Enter. That's, I want to offset this 24 this way and 24 this way. I click, enter. Then I'll repeat offset. This time I'll use 10. Then enter. So click, move this way 10, and move this way 10. Right click and enter. Now I'll close in the top of this. Enter, repeat polyline. I'll close here. Enter, then repeat polyline. I'll do it for the two to close in the sides of the casing of the ball. Then I'll now trim. Right? I'll select trim from modify. Then I'll select all the object, right click, and come back to start my trimming. I want this off, this off, this off. I want this off, off. No, that should remain. This off, right click, enter. Then next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to join these parts together. I'll come to modify, come to join. So I'll select, okay, let me just select all, right click. So this is joined together now. So repeat, I'll repeat join. I'll move from right to left to have the green interface, the green face to select all. Right click. Now I've joined all of them. Then I will now rule a line, draw a line from the middle of this line. This is going to take care of the ceiling that I want to create. So I will take a distance of 100. 100, enter twice to end it. Now, before I move on, I will come to my ribbon and come to the primitive and pick on sphere. So I'll pick on sphere, come here to this mid because this is where I want my sphere to be. My radius of the circle was 19, so I need tolerance. So I'll take the radius to be 19.5. Enter. So if you zoom in, you see there is space. Then what I need to do now is take it to southwest isometry. I'll come to southwest isometry. Then I'll come to my ribbon coordinate and take it toward coordinate system. In order for me to see the parts that I've drawn, I will select the sphere, right click, and come to isolate and hide it so that I can see these other parts. Then I will come to draw, come to circle. I'll take center with radius. Click here because this is where I want the center to be. Move. I want the radius to be 100. So 100, enter. Now that I have it 100, then I want these two parts of my ball casing to revolve around. So what I need to do is to use the tool called sweep. So I'll come to the modeling tool, come to sweep. It will ask me to select object to sweep. I'll select this part and this part. Then right click, enter. It's asking me to select the part I want it to sweep. I want it to sweep along this part. So I have done this. Let's see. Let me take it to conceptual view so that you see what I've done. You can see this is the bearing casing and you can see the whole inside. So now I'm going to take it to let me first of all end the isolation of the ball, the sphere that I drew there, which is the ball. You can see that. So I'll take it to top view so we'll see the ball. Now I want the ball to be around, so the balls. So now I'll come to modify, I'll come to array, I'll choose polar array. So to ask me to select object, so I'll select this ball, right click, then I'll come to the middle. Now the ribbon will change. Number of items, I'll take the number of items to be 15. Enter. You can see there are allowances between my balls. So I'll click close. So let me just take it to realistic view so you see more like the balls. Let me just rotate. You see, this is a very easy and simple way of drawing a typical ball bearing. Thank you.